Hi there, I'm Aria, and today we're going to dive into one of the most powerful tools you'll use during your college journey, Handshake. Handshake is your one-stop shop for finding jobs, internships, and career opportunities. I believe that everyone should use Handshake because it's tailored specifically for students. It simplifies the job searching process, giving you access to opportunities you might not find elsewhere, and it helps you build a professional network from day one. I'm going to hand it over to Lee from Career Connection now, and she's going to talk to you a bit about how to use the platform.
Hello, and here is a really quick overview of Handshake. This is one of the most important resources to have for yourself to help you with your career. We recommend downloading the app and going into this regularly to check out jobs, events, and to schedule appointments. To schedule an appointment with our team, you can go to the Career Center, also located over here, click on appointments and schedule an appointment. You can select all appointment types. You can meet with one of our specialized career catalysts. You can actually schedule a drop-in meeting with a peer career coach, meet with one of our amazing alumni and residents, or schedule a strengths coaching session, which is new and something that we recommend. So you can choose the type of appointment that you want and then see different available slots and choose those based on different days and times of availability. So going back to the home here, if you go to jobs, then you, and I have this thing for H-1B and E-Verify for our international students. That's an add-on here. Happy to answer those questions. But you can see great jobs. You can search through our collections. You can look at remote, on campus, all different kinds of positions. You can see our events and schedule. We have our career fairs. Right now, our Bishop Launch program, info sessions are scheduled, and you can schedule for many of our wonderful events. So we really hope that you will use all the resources on Handshake. We highly recommend that you complete your profile to make your profile not only stand out, but to get relevant insights and information sent your way. So let us know if you have questions, careers@owu.edu, or check out our new virtual career center. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Remember, Handshake is more than just a job board. It's a platform designed to help you succeed, connecting you with resources, events, and opportunities to kickstart your career. Take full advantage of everything Handshake offers. Set up your profile, explore job listings, and don't hesitate to reach out to our career services team for help. Your future is in your hands, and Handshake is here to support you every step of the way. See you next time.